Hey kids, welcome to the show. Today I'm so excited because we're going to be painting a gingerbread house. So get your paints ready and let's have some fun. All right, so I've got my first color of paint right on my plate right here. It's going to be plain black. So get that paint ready, and I'm going to use my awesome little drawing brush right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and dip this brush into that paint. Watch that. Blup, 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 blup. Okay? Now here's my canvas. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a shape. So this is going to be, we're going to make a line right here, another line right here, and let's make another line right here. So it's like a big, what does that look like? The letter U. That's right. So let's go ahead and make this awesome, beautiful line. And you can just kind of slowly draw it. You want to make sure that your paint goes over the canvas just nicely. Remember, we're just drawing right now. We're just actually just practicing. Yeah, very good. Okay. So now we've got our awesome U. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drop the top of our house. We're going to make a nice little half circle right here. It almost looks like a sad face. But don't worry, we are going to be changing this up dramatically. All right? Now what we're going to do is add some wavy lines. Just coming right out here. Look at that wavy line. All right, I'm going to do another one. This one's going to come down and over this way. Whoa, look at that. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle right up here. A beautiful circle. And we're just using one color, just black. We're just drawing with our paintbrush right now. And now we're going to go ahead and make a line coming right from the middle of that circle, and it's going to reach down right to this line right here. Look at that. So now you can start to see we're doing the rooftop of our house. Whoa, look at that. Woohoo! Okay, this is looking great, guys. Okay, well, for our house, I mean, we definitely need a door, so I'm going to make a nice little fun door right there. This one's a little bit of a different shape. Again, I'm just using some paint and my brush, and I'm just kind of drawing with it. Wow, look at that. Okay, so we got our door, and let's make a nice little circle here. This can be like a nice little candy or something right there. Oh my goodness. Doing a great job. This is the fun part. You get to decorate it. So you get to make, what's a door have? A doorknob right there. There's a doorknob. Also, we can make some fun candies sticking out. We can make like a little stick with a circle. Have some candy coming out of our house. What do you think? Maybe a smaller one over here, a circle with a line. Wow, look at that. The fun part's coming up soon where we get to like paint inside of this house. Right now we're just kind of drawing some special features just to know where we're going to put a few things. In fact, why don't we put some gumdrops right up here on the roof. I'm just doing with some lines with my small brush. Gonna make some gumdrops happen there. Okay, so I'm ready to let my house dry off. So we want to get this black paint nice and dry. Remember, we can fan off our canvas like this. We could set it down for a little bit and walk away, but we're going to add a lot of color, a lot of fun, vibrance on this beautiful, beautiful gingerbread house. So get ready. take a look. We've got our awesome gingerbread house right now. That black is still drying off. I'm gonna go a little bit faster just so I can make sure you can see exactly what we're doing. But you can see we've got our gingerbread house. Don't worry about any perfection, all right? Just have some fun. I'm gonna go ahead and put some brown on my brush. Look at that, I got a flat brush and it's just brown. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have some fun and fill in this house. Okay, so during each color that I change off, I'm gonna rinse my brush off and dry it off, get all that color off of there. So I just rinsed mine off. You can see I've got this brown, awesome gingerbread house starting to form. I'm gonna make this door red. Wow, that is a fun, bright color. Look how much it brightens up this beautiful painting. You're doing a great job. Don't worry if you get a little bit of black on your brush. It's okay. Just let that paint dry and you can always come right back to it. You'll see that. I'll get some black probably on my brush here too. And I'll just go back and fix it. But with paint, it's so vibrant, so rich. Look how pretty that is. Whoa! So is there anything else that you want to make red on your awesome painting? Let's do this. I'll make this gumdrop red. Since I've got red on my brush, I might as well use it. Let's do that one, and let's do like a swirly, whirly red right here. Kind of circled it around, and look at that. Looking good, looking good. You can even make some fun little dots on your like nice little top of your roof. Look at this, red, red. You can just start decorating your gingerbread house with all these special little colors that we're gonna get. So there's my red so far, and now I'm gonna switch colors and try to do something new. You can even make, you know, like a little mint right here. How about that? You wanna make a mint? We've seen those in the restaurants. Little striped mints. Look at that. That's fun. Wow, your painting is looking so fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work. So I'm going to go ahead and try a new color. Which one should I do? I'm going to do some yellow. All right, so I've got my awesome gumdrop house. I'm going to go ahead and make, let's see, one of these yellow. Look at this. Whoa. Look how pretty that is. All right, let's make some little dots in here. I just use my little brush and we make some little fun colored dots. Look at that. That's pretty. We can even make our other lollipop if we want it here. Watch this. Wow. That's so amazing. You're doing such a great job. Keep up the good work. I'm gonna pick a new color. What should I pick? Ooh, what do you think? Okay, that's a pretty good color. I think I'm gonna do this awesome turquoise. So take a look. Our little gumdrop house has to sit on something, right? It can't just be floating in the air. But I'm gonna make some little grass right here. I'm gonna make this beautiful little bit of grass by making little bits of spikes coming out. Wow. And you can do this too. Check this out. You can make some right here on both sides. Oh my goodness. This is such a fun house. It's a beautiful color too. It's like a turquoise, a light turquoise. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's looking so good. It's sitting on that beautiful, beautiful land now. All right, I'm gonna pick a new color, a new one. I'm gonna go with blue. Blue. Let's get some blue. Wow, let's make some fun dots with our blue. Oh, it's like little sprinkles of joy. Look at that. Wow. I really love this color. It's so pretty. Look how beautiful it is. It makes your painting look so fantastic. There you go. Look at, I can even put some blue on my doorknob right there. Just a little dot. Wow, that's pretty. So I'm gonna do something super special to make a new color. I'm gonna mix some of these colors. I'm gonna mix a couple of them. So I wanna get green. Do you know what colors I need to mix to get green? Well, I have turquoise, orange, red, black, brown, yellow, and blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of blue and mix it into my yellow. All right. And that makes our green. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. I've got my beautiful green. Look at, I mixed it and made it special just for you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna make some little lines in here. This one's gonna be like a little mint right up here. Whoa. And then I can even make some green in there. And where else can we put some green on here? We could actually even add some in our turquoise and just kind of like add some little brush strokes and change the coloring a little bit. Look at that. You don't want to cover all of that turquoise, but at least it gives it texture and it adds even more beautiful bright color to your painting. And you can see I'm kind of covering up some of those white areas so the canvas isn't showing. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful your painting's starting to do. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Look at that. That's a fun place. I want to go hang out here. That's for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue on. I want you to make whatever you'd like. You're an artist today. You get to pick whatever you want to go on your painting. So use whatever colors you like. You can do pinks, you can do purples, you can do all sorts of good stuff. Oranges, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it. We're almost done with this painting. You're doing such a fantastic job. I added some color, some clouds to the sky, made some blue, and then I added these cool orange, pretty little plants coming out just to make some fun, all right? But what I wanna do is add now the details. I'm gonna take my small brush, my little small brush, I'm gonna put some white on that brush, and I wanna just make this like a little bit more of a fun, glossy look. So I'm going to add a nice white line just kind of going right along this gingerbread. It gives it like a little bit of shine to this. It's just a really fun step. You can just add a few little lines, just add some fun character. It makes it look a little bit more of a cartoon. All right, you can just have some fun with this. See, I'm going to just do this on maybe some of my edges right here. Look at this, watch. Come right into the brown a little bit. put a little bit down here too. But that gives it the illusion that it's just a really fun, happy little painting, okay? Some fun stuff. Also too, when you're done with your white, you can go over, like, see, I messed up right there in that lollipop. I can make another black line going right across there. I added more black, and I can start changing and shaping. If I messed up anywhere, I can add a little bit of black over it, and that'll shape it just brand new. So keep working on this, have fun with it, make whatever you like. You can do candy canes, you can do everything. You are the artist, and I'm so proud of you. Keep it going. Have a great, great winter, all right? Enjoy.